Very good morning, my dear students. I am fine here and I hope you all will be quite well there. This is Gautam Kashyap, Faculty of Mathematics. I am here to teach you maths. Today we have to study about absolute value of an integer. But right now I want to know from your side, have you completed all the covered portion in previous classes or not? And I hope you all have completed all the taught portions because you all are too sincere and very good students. Now we have to know about absolute value of an integer and modulus. Here one thing that we have to think about कि what is absolute value and what is modulus. Actually, absolute value means you have seen lots of time some different types of integers written there, that is 5 minus 5 minus 7 minus 2 minus 10 minus 100. But absolute value means we should not think about the sign of that integer, regardless its sign is the absolute value of an integer. Now we have to define it. Absolute value of an integer is the exact value of that integer without considering its sign. इसको थोड़ा सा हिंदी में समझने का प्रयास करते हैं. किसी भी इंटीजर का जो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू होता है वह उसके चिन्ह को छोड़ करके जो उसका एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू जो होता है वह उसका एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू होता है या मॉडुलस वैल्यू कहा जाता है. नाउ वी हैव मूविंग अहेड हियर 5 and minus 5. Absolute value of both the number is 5. Here it is denoted plus 5 and it is minus 5. But we have to recall the definition of modulus and absolute value. What is the definition? The definition is that we think that a number which absolute value is without its sign. So 5 is the absolute value of 5 and minus 5. Here this is the symbol of absolute value, or sometimes it is called modulus. When modulus a equals minus a, when it is possible? It is possible only when the value of a is negative. Then the results minus a. In other hand, modulus a equals 0. When it is possible only when the value of a is 0. And in third case, modulus a equals a. When a is positive, then the value of modulus a equals a. So this is the about modulus value of an integer. Right now, once again I make you understand the absolute value. Absolute value of an integer is exact value of that integer without considering its sign. So now moving ahead, we have to think about sign scheme in next lecture. So bye and take care and try to cover all those things that already taught you. Bye and take care.